I'm like stressing here.
We've got it.
I think so. I don't know. I hope we got it.
This is Blue's Clues today.
Nice work. We'll see. We'll see if anything comes out. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike Sasser, boudoir photographer in Los Angeles, California, and we are in Los Angeles with a couple of friends. You just want to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, my name is Pratik. I'm a commercial editorial retoucher and photographer.
My name's Megan. I shoot mostly swimwear and lingerie based in LA.
Hi, I'm Joanna. I am a professional model based in Los Angeles.
Hi, my name is Michael. My name is Anita. I'm a swimmer and lingerie photographer.
Sweet, so this is the crew today. We came up with a couple of fun challenges we're gonna do with everybody today. I have no idea how it's gonna go, but I finally have an advantage. We're shooting at my place. You're going down. Probably not, probably not. Not against you. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start outside. The rest of the gang, they've made me go first since it's my spot. We're gonna get them out of sight, out of mind. You guys ready? No pressure on you, by the way.
I'm good. Let's go.
Gonna have to get my exposure and everything. Yeah, you can do it standing up there, behind it, stretching, all kinds of stuff. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Timer is started. Oh yeah, I'm way too dark here. Yes, I love that. Beautiful. That's cool, I like that. That's great. Stand up behind it. Peek over your shoulder back towards me. Love that. Whoops, that was time. Wow, that is 0 time at all. Wow, nice work. We'll see. We'll see if anything comes out. Wow, that was no time at all.
I know.
Okay, I'm just gonna close this so you guys can't hear. So we're gonna play with this. 3, go. Just roll more towards me. Yes, that's great. Beautiful, I love that. Wow, these pictures are so good. Okay, that's time. Wow, I gotta tell you, 30 seconds is not a lot of time.
Let's get you here. Next to the lemon trees, actually. Just go in front of the bird feeder. Oh my goodness, that's what happened. See? No, okay, wait, no. Okay, we're taking this back. We're not starting. It's gonna take me 30 seconds to get the fucking feeder off. Okay, we're gonna start now. Okay. I don't fucking know my settings are. Oh my goodness, my camera isn't even on. Wow. Can you go closer into the tree? Mm-hmm, yeah, super dreamy, eyes closed. That's beautiful. Okay, we have like 9 seconds. Jesus. Well, this was high pressure. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, okay. Wow! Wow, I'm like stressing here. There's clouds, what is happening? I need sun. Spice up the space. 3, and go. Okay, beautiful. Yes, love that, that's beautiful. Yes, love that, that's really pretty. When the model gives you everything, I appreciate it, thank you so much. Yes, that's lovely. Mm-hmm. And we're done.
Wow!
Wow. These
Not so fast. What's that?
It's just so underexposed. It's just black. I can't see anything. Editing. It's gonna be great.
Okay, I think I want to have you. I want the light to hit you. So maybe you're here, and you have this like lime. Let's see what the backlit situation looks like. So I'm gonna start it now. Oh, this is so scary. Ready, and start. Okay. Beautiful, Joanna. Yeah, the tree, if you grab a lime, that's really nice. Ooh, the light's coming out. Okay, time. Wow. I feel like that wasn't that bad. Let's have you in this light here. I feel like this is really nice. And then keep your face kind of towards the light a bit. Okay. Settings is the hardest part. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Chin up for me. Yeah, and then out, look out the window a bit. And then tilt your head this way. Yeah, beautiful. Time's up. Woo!
We've got it.
I think so. I don't know. I hope we got it.
So we decided that we're gonna leave him in there and head out for drinks. I think that's the best. I love him. Tequila shots, 20 seconds. We take a one iPhone photo, we're done. I was thinking everyone's gonna use the shower and stuff like that, and this is a very, typical area. I'm guessing they probably use that because they moved the pillows out there. Oh, well, this is Blue's Clues today. Corner real quick. Let me just adjust my settings. We'll take 5 seconds to adjust my settings. Oh, these are really bright. That's perfect. Turn around a little bit, look over your shoulder. Beautiful. There we go. And then walk forward. All right. That's it. I'm good. Yeah, we're good. Cool. Perfect. All right, so I know exactly what I want. We're gonna actually have, actually, no, I don't know what I want. Perfect. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Close your eyes real quick. That's perfect. Chin up a little bit more. And done. Cool. Awesome. That was great. How big can the item be?
The leaf blower.
Coffee machine. That's cute.
But I feel like it's too easy, right?
Yeah.
Check this out. Ready?
It's like a theme already.
Oh,
Okay, so the next item is this anywhere ping pong net. Can you say anything about it, or should we just shoot it?
Yeah.
We have 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes to shoot each. We won't see what what each person is doing. And we just have to either incorporate it or use it somehow.
I'll need my camera. There it is. Okay, so we ready? Oh, you know what? This is gonna be hard. I might have to use my other camera because I can't hold this with one hand and manual focus with this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, start. Wow, this is, let me try this. Oh yeah, here we go. Here, and I want you to get down kind of low with your head. Point your nose a little bit more towards the light. That's amazing. All right, point your nose more towards the light. Yes, that. Wrap this around, like kind of, yeah. Oh yeah, watch your head. Right there, love that. Point your nose a little bit more towards it. Yes, right there. Nice work.
That was cool.
How's your head?
What's your name again?
That's a weird item. That's a weird item.
So we're probably gonna use the shower, and the reason I'm gonna use the shower now is because we can use this as an accessory, kind of like a belt. You're just gonna wrap it around your waist and kind of like hold it, you know? Beautiful. And have your hand off of the top ledge real quick. Yeah, you can have your, exactly. You can almost lean into either the door or the frame. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. There we go. And tilt your head to the side real quick. There we go. And close your eyes for a second. There, love it. Now I love that. Bring your hands back up real quick again. There, right there. And peek, there, exactly. Tilt your neck back. There, like that. Perfect. Gonna get a top-down angle. Come over this side. And close your eyes. Beautiful. Look back at me again. So I'm happy with that. I think Michael didn't use it as a belt, I'm gonna guess. But
I have no idea what to do with this. Green is just such an ugly color. Maybe I should just like hide it in the bush or something, you know? Just be like, well, it's there. Technically not cheating, you know? If I just throw it into the bush and you can see like the corner, you know, of it or something. No, it's fine. We're gonna probably do what everybody else did. Well, it's very dreamy, and I'm like, I just don't understand what's happening, but I love that. That's beautiful. Well, that looks way better than the other stuff. Look, it like looks super like dreamy and just like very like wishy-washy.
Oh my god, yeah.
It's just like you can't really see it, so I feel like it's absolutely cheating, but we'll just go with it. It's fine.
We'll be back. I think I want to focus on like the shadows that it makes. Come over here. Ready? I'm just gonna go ahead and start it now. And then I want you to like hold it between the like sun and your face. I'm gonna place it. Yeah, the chin up is nice. I love this. It's amazing. Yeah, I think so. We'll see.
Let's go play tennis.
Let's do it.
Table tennis.
Okay, those were fun challenges. However, we're gonna stop the challenges and just shoot some cool stuff and show what what it looks like when we can actually do what we normally do.
That's true.
Does that sound okay? You
Let's
guys
do
okay
it.
with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more ping pong nets. All right, sweet. Let's do it. Thanks for coming to hang out with us, guys. Thank you guys for coming to hang out with me.
Thank you. That was fun.
That was fun.
Super
Right.
fun.
So fun. Check out everybody's work here at the bottom. You guys know what you're supposed to do. That's it. That's it.
Peace out.
She already knows how to do better YouTube outros than I do.